How to find trending sounds on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you want to find trending sounds on Instagram, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how you can do that. The first thing you want to do is tap on the search icon. Then on the search bar, you want to search for any keywords in which you want to make the reels. Now here you have audio tab. Tap on that option. Once you do, you're going to find all the trending sounds related to that keyword here. So here you also have the number of reels created in that song. As you can see, this one has 9.9 million reels, which is relatively more than any other reels in this list. So you want to tap on this option. This is the one which is trending in the keyword that you have searched for. So you can tap on the use audio option and then use it in your own reel. Now the next thing you can do is use the trend report. You want to search for creators, and that's going to open this Instagram's creator account. Here you're going to find a list of all the new and trending songs to use on your reels and stories. So from here as well, you can use the songs which are trending on Instagram. Next thing you can do is head over to the reels tab and then scroll down and take a good look at the audio which is below. If you find an arrow icon which is pointing at the top, that means that song is currently trending. You can then use that trending sound on your own reel, and this is how you can find trending sounds on Instagram. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.